Today, we'll cover the Fed's 50 BPS rate cut, the first in 4 years, and the market's volatile reaction. We'll also look at IT stocks like Infy and TCS slipping, ICICI Bank hitting a new high, and Bajaj Housing Finance dropping after its strong debut. Stay tuned for key market updates. The numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the Federal Reserve lowered its benchmark interest rate by 50 BPS to 4.75% to 5% in light of the progress on inflation and the balance of risks. It is the first rate cut in 4 years. Additionally, projections by FOMC members pointed to a median of 100 BPS in total rate cuts for the year, translating to 25 BPS in each of the central bank's meetings this year. Importantly, policymakers also expect GDP growth to remain at the 2% level for the upcoming years. The verdict: despite Wall Street receiving a jumbo 50 BPS rate cut, US stocks markets traded volatile. Blame it on Powell's statement that the Fed may dial back pace of cuts if the US economy remains solid. Global cues are neutral positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1154 crores while DIIs too bought shares to the tune of Rs 152 crores. Sentiments could turn risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.44 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook: volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP to 5378. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,171 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,250 and 25,550. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 52750. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 52,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,359 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,400 and 53,400. Bias for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty traded volatile near its new record high at 25,445.70 mark, but digging deeper, the price action reflected uneasiness. Buzzing stocks. 1. In yesterday's trade, IT stocks like Infy, TCS, Mphasis, Persistent and LTTS dropped between 3 to 6% amidst massive profit booking. Nifty IT index tumbled 3%. Losses in IT sector's stocks were also on backdrop of Accenture's damaging news that Accenture PLC is planning to push back the bulk of its staff promotions by 6 months due to a challenging consultancy environment. 2. ICICI Bank scaled fresh all-time high at 1,295 rupees, and most importantly, MCAP hits 9 lakh rupees crore milestone for first time. ICICI Bank Ltd became the fourth Indian firm to cross market capitalization of 9 lakh rupees crore. 3. Bajaj Housing Finance shares dropped 4.66% lower in yesterday's trade amidst profit booking after its bumper debut in Monday's trade. Bajaj Housing Finance ended at 173 rupees, has surged 155% above the IPO issue price of 70 rupees. The market cap of the Bajaj Housing Finance now around 1.5 lakh crore.